Welcome to Matri Academy. Let's begin the chapter 27 Microbes in Agriculture and Industry. This chapter describes all the short notes of microbes in agriculture and industry. So let's begin the chapter. The father of microbiology is Louis Pasteur. Edward Jenner discovered a vaccine for smallpox. Question asked in ARS Net 2001. Penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1929 from Penicillium chrysogenum. Which of the enzyme was firstly produced in USA at commercial level? The answer is fungal Taka distase. Question asked in TRS 2007. Commercially, enzymes are produced from which microbe? The answer is Bacillus amyloliquefaciens. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used for ethanol production. ICAR 2001. Siderophores are ferrous-containing microorganisms. Question asked in ICAR GRF 99 and IRI 2003. Siderophores, the ferrous-containing bacteria, produce iron-chelating substances. Example, pseudobactin, which chelates ferrous present in the root zone. Question asked in IRI 2004. Filamentous organism is Actinomycetes. IRI 2000. Myxomycetes belongs to protozoa. Question asked in IARI 2000. The organism involved in the production of glycerol is Dactylifera. Question asked in IARI 2000. Cheese ripening is caused by Penicillium camberti and Penicillium roqueforti. Question asked in ARS Net 2001. In bakery during fermentation for the production of ethyl alcohol, yeast is used, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used. ICAR GRF 1999. The enzyme used in the production of cheese is rennin, obtained from mucor methi and pancreas of calf. Question asked in IRI 2000. Amylase is the most industrially important enzymes obtained from Bacillus licheniformis and Bacillus amyloliquefaciens used in hydrolyzing starch to dextrins and extracellular soluble. Penicillium roqueforti and Penicillium camberti are used for cheese ripening, and Bacillus amyloliquefaciens is used for producing proteases. Rennet is obtained from calf pancreas, and an yeast mucor methi functions in the conversion of casein of milk into para-casein and macropeptides in cheese making. The process of alcohol fermentation stops even in the presence of yeast and substrate when the concentration of alcohol exceeds by 12 to 15%. Batch fermentation is the mostly used method for ethanol production, though it gives lesser yield as compared to the continuous fermentation. Pasteurization is the process of heating the milk at 72 degrees centigrade for 15 milliseconds. Question asked in ICAR GRF 2004. Yeast growth stops at 14% ethanol production. Citric acid produced from Aspergillus niger. Question asked in various examination. ICAR GRF 2004, 2005, ARS examination 2007. Acetone and butanol are produced from Clostridium acetobutylicum. Question asked in ARS 2007. The disadvantage of solid state fermentation is that it requires more inoculum size. Question asked in ARS 2007. All forms of microbial foods are collectively called as single cell protein. ICAR GRF 2004. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used in alcohol fermentation. Streptococcus lacti is used to convert milk into curd. Sour taste of milk is due to lactic acid formation. ARS 2007. Most of the antibiotics are produced from filamentous fungi Streptomyces species. ARS Net 2001 question. For penicillin production, phenylacetic acid or phenoxyacetic acid is added into the formulation medium as a precursor. Bacillus thuringiensis yields a microbial insecticide. Question asked in ICAR GRF 2004. Again, a most important question. Aflatoxin is produced by the fungus Aspergillus flavus, which infects kernels of groundnut, and thus kernels become bitter in taste. Question asked in IRI 2003, 4, 6, ARS 2006 and 2007. Cholera vaccine employs killed Vibrio cholerae. Question asked in ARS 2007. Trichoderma viridi is a biocontrol agent. It kills a fungus Macrophomina fasolina. Question asked in the IARI 2001. Mycorrhiza is an association between fungus and roots of higher plants. ICR JRF 2003, IARI 2000 and 2005. WAM fungus is associated with phosphorus solubilization and utilization. Question asked in ICR JRF 2004. Hartic nets are formed by actomycorrhiza. Allelopathy, a biological phenomena in which an organism produces one or more chemicals that influence the growth, survival, and reproduction of other organisms, is known as allelopathy. Question asked in ARS 2007. Ozo test is conducted to detect the presence of bacteria. Question asked in the ICR-JRF 99 and IRI 2000. During staining, Xanthomonas takes up red color. IRI 2000 क्वेश्चन. ये ना सिर्फ ARS नेट में ही नहीं, वेरियस एग्जामिनेशंस में क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं, लेकिन ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है तो हर एग्जाम में पूछे जा सकते हैं. Biogas production is an obligate anaerobic process. Question asked in IARI 2000, ICR JRF 2003. So you can see the weightage of question from the microbes in industry. BGA, blue-green algae biofertilizer can be stored for longer period as compared to the other microbial inoculants. Coir decomposing organism is bacteria. ICR JRF 2003. For clearing oil spills, a bacterium Pseudomonas putida is used. For the degradation of xenobiotics, we need an environment with aerated conditions. ARSNet 2001 question. And this question for clearing oil spills of bacterium Pseudomonas putida, it was asked in the ARS 2012. The predatory fungi belongs to genus Arthrobotritis. Question asked in IARI 2000. Multicellular microbes are associated with fungi. The organisms which reduce carbon dioxide with the help of electrons from hydrogen are known as methanogens. Question asked in IARI 2000. Calorimetric biosensor is the most generally applicable type of biosensor. Example, glucose oxidase for determination of glucose. Albinism is due to the presence of tyrosinase enzyme. Germicidal compound present in milk is lactoferrin. This is the match of the following. This question asked in IARI 2003 and 4. These are the product and their corresponding microorganisms. Acetone and butanol. Clostridium acetobutalicum. Citric acid, Aspergillus niger. Penicillin, Penicillium notatum or Penicillium chirosagenum. Acetic acid, Acetobacter aceti. Yogurt, Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus bulgaricus. Cheese, Penicillium camberti and Penicillium roqueforti. Vitamin B12, Pseudomonas denitrificans. So students, these all are the short notes of microbes in industry. I hope these all are the important points, so you can learn it and definitely you got success in your upcoming examination. So always like and subscribe my channel.